What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Lottie Durrell. I'm back here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the MyFitnessPal app to track your food. So let's dive straight into the video. First off, as you can see, we're going to go to dashboard, right? Then we're going to go over to calories. I want you guys to click this box. So don't worry about what's on the right. You have to pay for that. Right now we're focused on the free version. So we click that, then we can see our calories that we have for the day. We have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. We're able to see the total calories that we have left for the day. We're able to see what we have net for the day, and we're able to see the goal that we have in place. Then if we go to nutrients, we're able to see the protein, carbohydrates, fiber, sugar, fats, and everything like that. Now, if we go to macros, you're able to see if you're close to your macros, if you're far away, if you're not, if you're past it. As you can see right here for carbohydrates, I'm a little bit past it. I'm 6% past it, but that's besides the point. So let's exit out of that. And now let's say it's your first time using the app and you want to know how to edit everything and how to adjust your calories and everything like that. Well, you will click over here on the far right. If you can see it, it says edit. So let's click edit, and then we'll go to edit goal. And then right here, boom, you could change it. So you could change it to, let's say you're trying to stay in a calorie deficit, right? Depending on whatever you weigh or whatever thing, or depending on how much you weigh and everything like that. Let's say you weigh 170 pounds. You're trying to lose 1 pound per week. Let's say when I did it, I was in a calorie deficit of 1800. So I'll put 1800 right here. I don't really remember the carbs. I would have to do some math on that, but I'm just gonna guess. I'll put 30, 10. I lied, not 10. Yeah, no, I'll keep that at 20. And boom. And you're just slowly adjusting it to reach the numbers and to get close. Now, if you see, the total has to be 100%. So I'm not, damn. I was not having that much fat. I was damn near having like 50 grams of fat. There we go. That's, yeah, boom. Okay, boom, yeah. That's damn near what I was having every day when I was losing my weight. And I just had it and now it disappeared. What the hell, man? Okay, boom. So, sorry if I took too long for you guys right there. But yeah, so right now you can see I have carbs at 65%, protein at 20%, and fats at 15%. Carbs is gonna give me that energy. Protein is gonna help me keep that muscle mass and build that lean muscle while keeping me full too, because I am trying to lose weight and I'm in a calorie deficit. And the fat, you know, you need fat. Love it or hate it, you need it, but you just want to keep it at a minimum. So yeah, that's what I would do, right? Now, these numbers, I'm just guessing. I have not done the math. I was way more specific with my goals when I was losing weight, but like I said, this is what you would do, right? And then as far as that, let me actually adjust this back to 2,900 and 2,990. Okay, so yeah. As far as that, that's what you would do to edit it. And then you will come down here. You can edit your steps. You can edit your exercises. And so basically, you could put on here your starting weight. So if you started off with 171 pounds, like I did, like I said in the previous video, I lost 20 pounds. I started from around 170, and then I cut down. I lost 20 pounds. So yeah, but I adjusted the app for the goal to be 170 because now I'm trying to gain weight. I'm trying to go back to 180. Actually, I need to change that. Are you sure you want to change your weekly goal weight? Yeah, my goal weight. See, you guys are seeing it live in effect. I'm changing it to 180. Okay, boom. Current weight. Yes, we could change that. Current weight right now is 165.5. So boom. So you're seeing me change it in real time. Weekly goal, yeah, I'll leave it at that. And cool, right? Active level, you can change your active level. I am very active, so yeah, I'm very active. So yeah, and that's what you guys can do. You can adjust it like that. So remember, and then once you're finished editing, you just click done editing and everything's logged here and tracked. So remember guys, top right, you click edit and then you start editing goals. Done editing. So now I showed you guys how to do all of that. I am going to be showing you guys how to track your foods once you tracked it on the scale. So once you tracked your food on the scale, you will then come here. Let's say you had a protein powder. Let's say you have protein powder, right? Okay, you had the Body Fortress. The serving size is, the regular serving size amount for one serving is 44 grams. You can leave it like that. Number of servings, 1. Obviously won't change anything. If you had it for a snack, you will leave it on snack. If you had it for dinner, you'll put it on dinner, lunch, etc. Right? And then you will just make sure that the calories, the carbs, the fat, the protein all match up with the nutrition fact on the back of the protein powder, the product, or whatever food you have, of course. Then if you scroll down, you can see the nutrition facts and everything should match up, right? If you want to get more specific, see, add a frequent pair of foods. And see, it even keeps in mind what I add, what I pair the food with. So yeah, I like to make a protein shake, so I would add the powdered peanut butter, cottage cheese, banana, and almond milk. But that's besides the point. That's a cool feature. I didn't even know that, but now you guys know that too, and I'll learn something. So let's come back up. Serving size. Let's say we want to get more specific with the scaling, and let's say we're going over the recommended serving amount. So let's say instead of 1 serving, we're putting 2 servings, right? Well, obviously, if you see on the app, you don't see 2 servings, right? When it says serving size. So what you guys would do, right? You would just go to 1 gram, press 1 gram, right? And let's do the math. 44 plus 44, how much is that? 44 plus 44, that's 88. Okay, we'll then come to number of servings and we'll put 88. So that's 88 grams. It says 88 grams on the scale. So we will then put 88 grams for number of servings, right? And that will give us 360 calories, 14 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, and 60 grams of protein. If we cut that in half, that's the same number we had when we had the serving size as 1 serving, right? So I want you guys to keep that hack in mind. You do not need to pay for all of these tracking apps or whatever. You don't need to pay for anything. Everything can be done freely. You just gotta do a little bit of work. So boom, right? So we know that's 88, and boom, right there, that's 2 servings. I could press this check mark, and I'm done for the day. So there you guys have it. Tracking your foods, very simple. And I want you guys to take this keynote that, let's come back. So I tracked the protein powder, right? If I made a mistake, right, and I didn't mean to track that protein powder, I meant to put something else, or I got the numbers messed up, I could just simply come back here, right? Log food, press log food on the bottom, scroll down to snacks, swipe left, and press delete. And just like that, it's gone, and I could go back, right, and readjust. All right. So also guys, you could search for your foods. You could switch it to breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, whatever. And it's gonna keep track of all of that, everything you had while using this app. As long as you're on the same account, it's gonna keep track of everything, right? Like, damn, this app kept track of everything I've been using since last year, August. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, and I damn near eat the same foods every single day. So that's basically tracking made easy for you guys. It's that simple. No need to make things complicated. Hope you guys learned something new in this video. It's been real. It's your boy Lottie the Real. And if you want to watch how I was able to lose 20 pounds of fat in under 90 days, then you can click this video right here. Or if you want to watch how I did my leg day this week, then you can click this video right here. See you guys in the next video. It's been wonders. Peace.